Alright, let's check that chili. See how she's looking. Oh yeah. That right there is money. Beans are nicely hydrated. Heck to the yeah. Up out of the way so it's cool. I'm not going to stay too long because I got to work tomorrow morning and I got to run home and do some stuff, so. Alright, we gotta do this right. You can't have Texas State Fair chili without adding Spicy Pete's Texas State Fair hot sauce, or Texas Pete's hot sauce, I should say. Now, it normally comes with one, but because I had this bag for a while, it was looking not too good, so since I already grabbed a couple handfuls from Chick-fil-A, thank you Chick-fil-A, by the way. A plug for them. And because no chili is complete without it, I got some cheese. Now the cheese and Fritos that comes with the pack, last time I ate it, it was the corn chips were stale. And oops, I got all the cheese in there. Oh darn. But yeah, the corn chips were stale, and because they're mixing with the cheese, I couldn't have one without the other, so I just threw the whole thing in the garbage and brought out fresh Tillamook cheese. Oh yeah, look at that. Now in place of the corn chips, I went ahead and made myself a Bannock. So now I have Bannock and chili for lunch. So here's a close-up of the chili. How she looks. Alright, let's get to tasting. My chili right here. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh. I totally Fernbarked it. Enjoying a little Monster Energy. The weather's been too nice for hot drinks, so I just bought a cooler out with some, cooled beverages. With that Texas Pete too, it's like, it's just enough kick, but not too much. Where's my Bannock? Alrighty, so right now our fire danger is moderate. So fortunately I didn't have a long burning fire, so I didn't have a whole lot of coals. But I had float standing water when I poured my last, and so it seeped into the ground. So I'm confident it's completely out. So yeah, I don't even feel any heat, and there's no steam coming off. So I'd say that fire was good and out. All right. So final thoughts on the stove. I like it. I like it a lot. Excuse me. I like it a lot. Now obviously I need to work with it more because my use of the stove is lacking, but I don't have the experience using it like a lot of you guys probably do. So, experience, it comes with time, so the more I use it, hopefully the better I'll get at it. Wow, someone's dog is having a heyday. Packing up my stuff. I always carry these grocery store bags in my woodsman pouch, because when the pots are all dirty, scummy, sticky, I'll throw it in the bag, which I'll just take home and throw away. But I'm not also making the inside of my Hidden Woodsman pot bag all nasty. So, wow, their dogs are going nuts. They must have been gone for 2 minutes. You were gone forever! Oh my god! I'm just packing up to go head home. I gotta work tomorrow, so. Thankfully there wasn't a lot of trash here, so I didn't have to go and clean a bunch up. I cleaned up trash at another spot, but here was pretty clean, so happy about that. I mean, I'm not happy they left garbage there, but I'm glad that they left less. They actually didn't leave any here. They did leave basically they made a makeshift toilet over there, so they crapped a bunch and left toilet paper on the ground. And that's where I draw the line. I'm not picking up TP. That's a no from me. I'm not gonna get it just because it's gross. I think I'll just put this in set that down back here, because I don't want ash to go inside of my, or hot soot. Alright. I got a little firewood for next time. Good times, good stuff. Alright, so I'm pretty much packed up, ready to go. I'm gonna head home, get ready for work for tomorrow. It's been a good day, did some driving around, good time, saw some great views. Had a really good lunch, chili and Bannock, delicious. Made some fire using fat wood, broke out the Godzilla and son of Godzilla, the scraper. So, as always, appreciate you watching. Look forward to reading your comments. Have a good one. We'll catch you in the next one.